Does a simple 12-hour fast from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. actually work, or do you need to push yourself to longer fasting windows? Let's break it down. First off, yes, a 12-hour fast from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. is going to work. It's going to do some really good work. Gives your body a daily break from digestion. It helps keep your blood sugars more stable. It can reduce late night snacking, which is where a lot of hidden calories creep in. And for beginners, it's a fantastic place to start, especially if you're not ready to jump straight into 16 hours, 18 hours, or longer fasts. And once your body adjusts, you might even find that 12 hours just feels really easy. And that's when a lot of people start to stretch it to 14 hours or 16 hours, even 18 hours. Why? Because the longer windows give our insulin levels more time to drop, which helps your body to switch to burning fat, which is particularly useful if, like me, you're insulin resistant or navigating perimenopause when weight loss has become a lot more stubborn. Definitely has gotten a lot more stubborn for me. And whether you fast for 12 hours or 16 hours, what you eat when you break your fast really does matter. A keto-style approach where you've got higher proteins, more healthy fats, lower carbs means fewer cravings and steadier energy. So things like eggs, avocado, Greek yogurt, tuna, salmon, other fish are going to help you feel a lot more full and steady your blood sugar levels than, say, something like toast or cereal.
Health resetting with intermittent fasting, keto diet, exercise.
Today I stopped eating at 8 p.m. and yesterday I stopped eating at 8 p.m. and I broke my fast at 1 p.m. the next day. So that's 18 hours, an 18-hour window. I had scrambled egg and some veg to break my fast.
Which was meal one. Meal two, chicken and cashew nut stir fry. And then snacks, I had cheese and olives, and then I had extra vanilla cheesecake left over, so I had that again. Yum yum.
I did a lot of walking. I done some resistant bands, focusing on arms. I'm feeling really good, really stable, and I'm realising in week 3 of this health reset that I'm not quite as emotionally driven as I thought I was. For me, it's becoming much less about restriction and more about just having found a rhythm and finding a rhythm. My cravings are so low, hunger pangs are so low. It's all good. So yes, fasting from 7 till 7 can do your body a lot of good, especially if you're just starting out. It's a gentle way to train your body and to build up to the longer fasts and help to reduce those cravings and stabilize your blood sugars. Pair it with good food choices like exercise, mindful eating, and it becomes a really powerful tool for better health. If you want more beginner-friendly tips, make sure to subscribe. I'm documenting my own journey as I progress through this so we can do this together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.